G'day, here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rules is in millimetres. Materials wetted to help highlight the colours and pattern. And the white that you're seeing there is the light reflecting off the water. Colour goes back under there, so to grind this down. You can see the bar is going along there too, so it gets thin, but you need to grind that off and you might end up with a bigger stone. The other piece, same deal. That parent material needs to come off. Might end up with a nice big blue stone in there. Sorry. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed those. Cheers.